Hello, are you looking for somewhere to live here in Orofino, Idaho and finding everything just outside of your reach? Well, this property might be the perfect one for you. And the reason is it's got built-in rental income. There's $800 a month coming in off the single wide trailer that has a separate roof over it. So the inside of the trailer is in really good condition, but they're getting $800 a month. There are loan programs out there and I can help you find those that will allow you to add that rental income into your own income. And then the bank's willing to give you more money so you can get into this. The main house is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house, perfect starter home. Or if you're at the other end of the spectrum of life and just don't need a big house, you're kind of an empty nester, it could also be work really well for that. And so it's a nice little home. There's a couple acres here. You can see it here behind me. The tree line right there is about the property line. There's a small seasonal creek that's back there that's just off the property, but you get all the enjoyment of it and you don't have to pay the taxes on a property with a creek. So this is a great little property. Let's go take a look around and then I'm going to show you inside the house. So this is the single wide trailer behind me. You can see that it's got a roof over it. And so make sure to keep the weather outside of the single wide there. But it's actually pretty good condition inside. Of course, it does have renters in there and hopefully y'all respect the fact that they really don't want me to go in there and video inside of their house. But I do have a few photos. I'm gonna put them here in the video and you can kind of get a good idea of what it looks like. But it's really a pretty nice trailer. And again, it's making $800 a month for the owners here. All right, this is the main house. Quick walk through the living area. Nice big living room, really. Plenty of room for some furniture. You have the TV mounted up there on the wall. Dining area. That wood stove keeps this house plenty warm. I'm gonna walk into the kitchen. Have some really nice cabinets here. Plenty of counter space. And gives you a chance when you're working there at the sink to look out that window and you're looking at some trees and that's all your property there. That's part of the 3 acres, so you don't have to look at somebody else's house if you don't want to. This is the mudroom, pantry, storage space, the rest of the kitchen here. Now we're going to walk into the main bedroom. This is a pretty good sized bedroom. That is a king size bed. So it gives you kind of a reference of how much room you do have in here. Give you a quick walk around, get to check out the closet there. Again, you know, I mentioned that there is a rental on this. We're not going to video it. There are renters in it currently, but it is a single wide trailer. It's got an extra roof over it, so you don't have water damage or anything like that. It's very livable. But the nice thing is it's providing them with quite a bit of income, and it really helps out with the mortgage here on this property. So if you're looking for a property where you can live in a pretty nice little house and have somebody else make your house payment for you, this is a great opportunity for you. We're going to come down the hallway, check out the laundry room real quick, and then it goes into the bath. It's actually a pretty roomy bathroom here. It's got a shower, tub, real nice. And so this is the main house. We're going to take you outside now. I'm going to show you around. Before we end the video, I just want to take this opportunity to let you know that I'm the only broker in this area who does videos like this for all of his listings. So if you find this content valuable in your real estate search here in North Central Idaho, please let me know by hitting that like button. I would love it if you left me a comment, and most importantly, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you never miss a new listing coming out of our office. And from everybody at United Country Real Estate, we want to remind you to find your freedom.